Good morning, students. In today's class, we learn about the structure of animal cell, the cell journey inside. Every living creature is built from microscopic units called cells. Animal cells are complex, organized structures where specialized components work together to sustain life, process energy, and maintain the organism's health. Cell membrane, the gatekeeper. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible barrier that surrounds and protects the cell, made of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. It controls what enters and exits through selective permeability. Cell membrane is meant for protection, that is, it shields the cell from harmful substances and external threats. It's meant for communication. Receptor proteins detect signals and coordinate with other cells. Meant for transport. Selectively allows nutrients, water, and ions to pass through. The amazing animal cell. Cytoplasm, the cell's interior or environment. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell, composed mostly of water, salts, and organic molecules. It suspends organelles, facilitates chemical reactions, and transports material throughout the cell. It provides structural support and shape. It contains enzymes for metabolic processes. It allows organelles to move and function. It maintains proper pH and ion balance. Cell membrane, the gatekeeper. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. The nucleus houses the cell's genetic material and directs all cellular activities. It's enclosed by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope with pores that control molecular traffic. DNA storage. It contains chromosomes made of DNA that hold genetic instructions for all cells' function and characteristics. Gene expression. It controls which genes are activated to produce specific proteins needed for cell function. Replication. Duplicates DNA during cell division to pass genetic information to new cells. Mitochondria. The powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are the energy producing organelles that convert nutrients into usable energy through cellular respiration. These bean-shaped structures have their own DNA and double membrane. The function of the mitochondria is absorption, that is, nutrients enter mitochondria. Also, it converts the biomolecules into energy. ATP is created, and also it distributes the energy powers to all cell activities. Nucleus. Then the endoplasmic reticulum, the cell's transport system. Endoplasmic reticulum is an extensive cell membrane which contains tubes and sacs that transport materials and synthesize proteins and lipids. It comes in two forms with distinct functions. Rough ER, studded with ribosomes. It produces and modifies proteins destined for secretion or cell membrane. Smooth ER lacks ribosomes and synthesizes lipids, detoxifies harmful substances, and stores calcium ion. Ribosomes, the protein factories. Ribosomes are tiny molecular machines that read genetic instructions and assemble into amino acids into proteins. They are found either floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes translate the genetic code from DNA into functional proteins, the workhorses of the cell. It is composed of RNA and proteins, and it can produce thousands of proteins per minute, essential for cell growth and repair. Golgi apparatus, packaging and distribution center. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport to their final destination. It consists of flattened membrane sacs called cisternae arranged in stacks. Receives, accepts protein from ER. It modifies, it adds molecular tags and sugars. It packages, it encloses in vehicles, it distributes, sent to destinations. lysosomes and peroxisome, the cells respond, recycling and detox teams. Lysosomes contain powerful digestive enzymes that break down waste materials, damaged organelle, and foreign invaders. They are the cell recycling center and waste disposal system. Peroxisomes break down fatty acids and neutralize toxic substances like hydrogen peroxide. They protect the cell from oxidative damage and participate in lipid metabolism. Key takeaways: the interconnected world of animal cells. Animal cells function as integrated system which where each organelle plays a vital role. These specialized structures work together through constant communication and material exchange. They are interconnected. Organelles communicate and coordinate activities through chemical signals and transport systems. Protected. Membranes and compartments protect genetic material and regulate internal environment. It is a specialized one. Each organelle performs specific functions essential for cell survival and health. Efficient. Materials and energy flow continuously between organelles to maintain optimal function. Thank you.